In terms of safely easing into a ketogenic diet, I'll often have my patients make a slow transition to a lower carbohydrate diet. So a ketogenic diet is often 20 to 30 grams of carbohydrates consumed in a day. Most people are consuming over 100 grams of carbohydrates in a day. So for those who want to jump right in, that's absolutely safe to do. I do always encourage making sure that you have your supplements though, making sure you're getting all those minerals in, your electrolytes, your magnesium, your B complex. That will help you a little bit to get past that keto flu or that feeling of unwell or dis-ease as you take all those carbohydrates and sort of detoxify as you move into that keto diet. It's often called the keto flu. For those who aren't quite ready to dive right in, I often find that a slow reduction of carbohydrates weekly is the best way to go. So I reduce by about 25 grams of carbohydrates per week. So we'll start at 100 grams, then the next week move down to 75 grams, then to 50, and then down to 25 grams of carbohydrates in the day. And to get a really good sense of what that means for your diet, I really encourage just tracking your food, even if it's just for a week or two, so you get a better sense of the carbohydrate content of the foods that you're eating.